In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a border in PowerPoint step by step. Whether you want to make your slides look more professional, highlight important content, or simply add a clean design touch around your slide, adding a border is a simple trick that makes a big difference. I'll walk you through the entire process so you can follow along easily. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation file, the .pptx file where you want to add the border. You can do this from your computer or from PowerPoint Online if you're using it in your browser. Once your presentation is open, go to the slide where you want to add the border. You can add a border to just one slide or repeat these steps on multiple slides if needed. Next, go to the top menu and click on Insert. This will open the Insert toolbar with different options like pictures, icons, text boxes, and shapes. What we're going to use is the Shapes option. Click on Shapes and you'll see a drop-down menu with many different shape choices. From the Shapes list, select the Rectangle shape. It's usually the first option under the Basic Shapes section. Once you click on Rectangle, your cursor will change to a crosshair. Now click and drag on your slide to draw the rectangle. Start from one corner of the slide and drag it all the way to the opposite corner so it covers the entire slide area. After drawing the rectangle, you'll notice it probably has a solid fill color by default. We don't want the slide to be covered, we only want a border. So the next step is to remove or adjust the fill. Right-click on the rectangle, then click on Shape Fill. From the color options, choose white if your slide background is white, or choose No Fill if you want the background to remain fully visible. This ensures only the outline of the rectangle will show. Now let's adjust the border itself. Right-click on the rectangle again and click on Shape Outline. This is where you control the border color and thickness. If you want to change the color, simply select any color from the options. For example, you can choose black for a clean, professional look, or pick a custom color that matches your presentation theme. To make the border thicker, hover over Weight in the Shape Outline menu. You'll see different thickness options like 1 point, 2 points, 3 points, and more. Click on the thickness you prefer. If you want a more visible border, choose a higher weight value. You can always come back and adjust it until it looks just right. If needed, you can also slightly resize the rectangle so it fits perfectly within the slide edges. Make sure it aligns nicely and doesn't go beyond the slide boundaries. A clean alignment will make your presentation look more polished and professional. And that's it. You've successfully added a border to your PowerPoint slide using a simple rectangle shape. You can repeat these same steps on any slide in your presentation, and you can even customize the color and thickness differently for each slide if you want a unique design. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical PowerPoint tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.